Setting up your Fire TV Cube. Unboxing your device. Welcome to your Fire TV. In this video, we unbox the Fire TV Cube and share how to connect it to your TV or home media system. In the box are 6 items. The Fire TV Cube is the cube-shaped device. It has 4 rubber feet on the bottom and 4 buttons on top. The button with the raised dot is the action button. Moving clockwise from the action button, the other buttons are volume down, microphone on-off toggle, and volume up. On the back are 4 inputs. From left to right they are USB, infrared emitter, HDMI, and power. The Alexa voice remote has buttons on the front and a rounded back with a sliding panel to open the battery compartment. To change the batteries, press the indentation on the back of the remote and slide the panel open. 2 AAA batteries are included. Insert the batteries into the Alexa voice remote with their flat ends toward the small spring at one end of the battery compartment. Then, replace the battery cover. The power adapter needs to be plugged into the wall. The IR extender cable, or infrared extender cable, is a small square box with a cable permanently attached to one end. It helps the Fire TV Cube communicate with other media devices. The Ethernet adapter can be used to connect your Fire TV Cube directly to your network if your Wi-Fi isn't strong enough. Before you can start using your Fire TV Cube, you'll need an HDMI cable. You'll need to provide your own HDMI cable, as one isn't included with the device. To start using your Fire TV Cube, connect one end of an HDMI cable to the Fire TV Cube, and the other end to your TV or media system. Ensure the power adapter is plugged in and connected to the Fire TV Cube. If using the IR extender cable, connect it to your Fire TV Cube and place it on the same shelf as the device you want to control, or the lowest shelf for devices on multiple shelves. For more how-to videos and information about accessibility, visit amazon.com/accessibility.